welcome to Shoib's channel. Today I will show you how to tether your DSLR camera to your Lightroom. So why we are doing this? When you are doing a product or interior photo shoot, so that time you need to see details in the picture, so that if you find anything is not in focus, you can make it again. So seeing things in bigger monitor, it helps a lot for the photographer. So let's jump into the tutorial. For this tutorial, the things what I am going to use is a DSLR. Hope everyone will be having one, and the cable. So this is the cable. It's a normal USB to micro USB cable, which will connect to the system. So here you see in your every DSLR will be having a AV out. So this port you have to just open it. So here you have two options. So some cameras will be having a HDMI, but most of the cameras will have this micro USB. Just connect your micro USB and take this USB to your system and turn on the camera. So now we are into Lightroom. I'm just connecting my USB to my laptop. So once you connect, go File, Tether Capture, and Start Tether Capture. Here you can select whatever session you want. If you want, you can segment the photos by folder, and if you want the sequence name, you can select how you want. I'm just going with file name. So if you have any metadata, you can go with that metadata, or else you can go with your own. Just click OK. So your camera will be detected automatically. So once the detected, here you have four options. One is shutter speed, aperture, your ISO, and white balance. You can control everything over here, and if you have default filters, you can select through this any of the options, and this is your shutter button. You can use this to take the picture, or else you can use your camera. So now I will take one picture. So once you take the picture, automatically the picture loads up in the system. So you can see the details, so how you want. So you can see the details of the subject. So that's all for today. So I think this will help you a lot, and I want to thank designer for sponsoring our video. So if you need a dream office or house, you can reach out them. I will leave the contacts in the description below. So thanks for watching our video, and if you like it, subscribe and share, and see ya.